This is Storm 12 Severe Weather Update. And good afternoon to you, Laronta Barbee here with a look at your weather update, here to update you on what is going on as far as severe weather that is moving through. Not really in the case of severe weather, but some of these storms could be strong to severe. Now, what is moving across now that we are seeing moving through parts of the Cookeville and Crossville area, we have seen a couple of those storms be strong to severe, and with some of these storms here could cause some lightning, hail, and heavy downpours with some of this system here. So if you're in parts of the plateau counties, make sure you are keeping attuned to my Facebook page and on my Instagram page for the very latest as far as anything as severe wise. Now also south of Interstate 40 towards Lawrenceburg, we have seen a little bit of that. Some of those storms out there, watching a system now that is moving through parts of the Lawrenceburg area. Nothing severe at this time, but some heavy rainfall moving through in parts of the Lawrenceburg area. Also down a little bit towards south, again, some of those storms with heavy rain is what's really the main threat with some of these systems here. Looking at the Nashville area, nothing to really talk about here in the Nashville area, but still, we're going to keep an eye on some of these pop-up storms today because, again, we're going to see more of those pop-up storms out there, so definitely keep an eye to the sky and keep a good look at radar. Now, as far as who gets to see the severe weather today, most of Middle Tennessee, west of I-65, Middle Tennessee, and the Plateau are all under a marginal risk for today. Now, what does that mean for you? Well, that means you get a 5% chance of seeing some damaging winds. Tornadoes are not expected, so you don't have to worry about tornadoes. Hail, will put that on a small possibility of some hail, and we'll put wind gusts up to 40 to 50 miles per hour will be possible with some of these storms. So that's a category 1 out of 5. So that's anywhere within a 5%, within a 25-mile radius of your home, you have a 5% chance of seeing some severe weather. Now, if you're in parts of the Kentucky area, you are under a slight risk for some severe weather out there. Now, what does that mean for you? Well, that means within a 25-mile radius of your home, you have a 15% chance of seeing some severe weather. So let's say parts of Louisville, also parts of Dareville, Kentucky, those areas will see about a 15% chance of seeing some severe weather. Now, as far as looking at forecast rainfall amounts through Monday night, which is June the 10th, anywhere from 2 to 3 inches of rain north of Interstate 40, Smithville, 3 to 4 inches of rain, Jamestown and Crossville, 2 to 3 inches of rain. If you get down south of Interstate 40, we'll up that a little bit to about 3 to 4 inches of rain towards Waynesboro, Columbia, Tullahoma, parts of Giles. So all of those counties will see anywhere between a 3 to 4 inches of rain. Now, as far as today, we'll see anywhere as far as maybe some showers and storms towards our plateau, but anybody could see some severe weather out there, so definitely make sure you're staying weather aware out there. 88 out of Clarksville, 90 degrees out of the Nashville area, and then as you get back towards the plateau, a little bit cooler than usual. 86 out of Smithville, 86 Lafayette, 82 out of Jamestown, 81 Crossville. For tonight, look for, again, a few hit and miss scattered showers out there with temperatures between 70 and some areas even in the lower 60s out there. So 66 Tullahoma, 71 out of the Nashville area, and 64 out of the Smithville area. And again, for tomorrow, we're going to keep in the rain chance again for tomorrow, but temps will be in the upper 80s out there. So just make sure you have the weather gear in handy and make sure you stay weather aware through tonight, as one or two of these storms could be on the strong side. This concludes your severe weather update. This has been a Storm 12 Severe Weather Update.